Learn how to create a price inquiry in just a few seconds on Cieblink. Go to the Price Inquiries tab and click Create a Price Inquiry. Search for the supplier you want to request a price from. Enter your shipping address, add notes, and choose the supplier contact who will receive your request. Click Add Products to browse the catalog and select the items you want. If a product requires configurations, Cieblink will let you know. Click the gear icon and make your configurations. Once everything is selected, click Apply. Cieblink will show a price, if available. Then send your inquiry to the supplier, who will confirm the price.